Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Monday, 12 o'clock, always putting on a video. And I just want to thank Ernst for these mics that he donated to me. He said I have to get a little bit more professional. I must be the longest running channel that's not monetized yet. I've been doing this now for 10 years, and every Monday, 12 o'clock for the last 2 years, I put a video on for you guys. Subscribe, it's free. And I see 84% of my viewers is not subscribed. If you just want to subscribe, it will help me tremendous, because then I don't need to get donations. I can go and buy them. Another thing is that I also checked out is I wanted to see where my viewers are from. And I typed in to get some more stats to see where my viewers are watching it from and where they're from all over the world. And I saw a big percentage, 46%, is watching it on TV. So that's why I'm going to this new camera, so that you can get a better professional video of it. Not my cell phone anymore. And also I saw that I wanted to see in which cities most of you are watching it from. Cape Town is the highest, and I was glad that Wonder Surfboard was from Cape Town, because that is where the percentage was. But remember, there's another surfboard coming up, a longboard. Here's a photo of it, and you won't be able to win it if you're not subscribed. Then I saw another city called Kukompu, and I said, hey YouTube, you got this wrong, there's no such city. But I forgot, East London changed its name. That's South Africa. You have to be on top of it. We changed names so quickly. So I can't pronounce it right. I think it's Kukompu. Well, those guys, welcome. Sorry I pronounced that name right. It will take me another 4 years to pronounce it right. Then, what I did this week, I want to do a tour with you guys. Because if you come and visit J-Bay, you'll come around that circle and you'll see that shopping center on the side. That's where you're going to pick up your first wave. We got a lot of sculptures here in J-Bay. Not of Nelson Mandela or Jan van Riebeeck, but wave sculptures and things from the ocean. So enjoy. It's all got a story, and I'll take you around it. Oh yeah, and I discovered we're actually living in a matrix. Once I show you these sculptures, you'll understand that you are all part of the matrix. Just check, there's a blip in it. Keep the stoke, God willing, I'll see you guys in order. Cheers. If you're coming into our town, we got private parking if you're my age. This is also free, you don't have to pay to park there. But sorry, you need to be 60 plus. And if you have kids and your wife is driving, you also got your own free parking. And this is where you put your mother-in-law on a surfboard. Take a shot of her. She can be goofy or natural, while your wife is buying biltong. This is also where I picked up that there is a few pixels gone in the statue, and that tells me it is the matrix. You'll have to choose between the red pill and the blue one. The red being truth, but it's dangerous, life-threatening dangerous. Your surfing life is about to change once you've taken a Super Tube's wave. The rest of the world's waves are Let's go to the underworld. If you've dived for crayfish, you'll know that eels is always around crayfish, and the eels eat the octopus. But here in J Bay, the octopus eats the eel. We've been voted one of the best towns in South Africa, but you have to look at how we honor those that have come before us. The fishermen were here before the surface, and we got a fisherman graveyard. And by just looking at this, you know how we honor those that make sure we have fish and chips on the table. This is not plaasmoorde. These were fishermen from Jeffreys Bay. It was heavy. I was holding my breath while those oaks were getting covered up there. Yeah, thanks to Ernst for these videos. Professional videos. Okay, after all those waves and holding your breaths, we're going down there to Dolphin Beach. There's a few statues there and restaurants. Let's go and check them out.